Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get an Apple Music subscription completely for free. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how this works. And first, at the beginning of the video, we're going to go ahead and go to my profile, and you guys can see I do not have an Apple Music subscription, and it's asking me to buy 3 months for $9.99. But we're going to go ahead and get a subscription without paying any money at all, simply by going on ogapps.co. Alright, the link will also be on the video, so just type in this link, ogapps.co. You can see it right here. Go ahead and hit enter, and this is a tool that allows you to get all types of modded apps. And in this example for this video, we're going to go ahead and do Apple Music, which will give us a free subscription. So to get started, we're going to hit download app. And now we have to add OG app icon to the home screen. So we're going to go ahead and press this button here. We're going to scroll to the right and hit add to home screen. And then we can hit add on the top right hand corner. And now we'll have the OG app. So now you're just going to want to open that app. And you guys will see there's all types of modded apps you can get with OG app. But for this particular video, like I said, we're going to go ahead and get the Apple Music. It says free Apple Music. We're going to hit get. And then we're going to hit the blue get button right there. And then it's going to redirect us to this page where we have to install 2 apps from this list and follow the instructions below each app you install. And this is just for verification that you're not a robot. So just install 2 apps from that list and follow the instructions below each app you install. And you can install any apps, 2 apps you want. In this case, the first app I personally selected was just Solitaire Deluxe 2. And the second app was Final Fantasy. But like I said, you can choose any 2 apps from that list. As long as you follow the instructions and you're on the app for at least 30 seconds, you will pass the human verification. Alright, anyway, so I'm starting with Solitaire Deluxe 2, and you guys will see that it's very simple and very quick, only 30 seconds per app to complete the human verification. So all I'm going to do is just make sure I'm doing human interactions on this app for at least 30 seconds. And by human interactions, all I mean is just, playing the game normally. It really doesn't matter what you do. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and interact with these cards. It is a solitaire game. I'm not actually playing solitaire, but that doesn't matter. All that matters is that I'm interacting with the app with my thumbs, and that is how I'm going to complete the human verification. So you guys can see here that I'm just for the whole 30-second duration, I'm making sure I'm interacting with the app, because it's very important you do these interactions, because this is human verification and the purpose is to be verified as a human so you can get the modded app installed onto your device. Alright, so this is the first app. I'm done with that. Now I'm on to the second app, which is Final Fantasy. Very simple app. Again, all I'm going to do is just play this game or interact with this app for 30 seconds. You guys will see here once it loads up, it's just going to have me build some buildings, make upgrades, and just do all of that kind of stuff. So it's the same thing as the solitaire game, except this time it's a little different, and it's like a tutorial kind of. And I'm just going to go ahead and make these upgrades and just play this game and level up, I guess. Really doesn't really matter what I do. If I wanted to just go to the bottom and hit items, for example, and scroll around and look at the items, I could do that too. But I'm just deciding to do my human interactions on this game this way, just by simply upgrading walls, building some buildings, and doing all of that fun stuff, making some upgrades. Doesn't really matter. I'm only interested in this app for the human verification portion, and I'm sure you guys are too. So just do whatever you want to make sure you pass the human verification on each app. But at the bare minimum, you do need to do interactions on the app for at least 30 seconds to be sure the human verification will go through. Anyways, I completed the human verification, and now when I go ahead and open up Apple Music, you guys will see here, I'll show you, it's really, really neat. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like when you have the free subscription. So you saw earlier in the video, it asked me to buy a subscription. Now it doesn't, because I have a subscription. So if I hit manage subscription, you guys will see here, it will load up, and you guys will see that I have the subscription completely for free for the next year, and it's $0.00. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.